Hi everyone, it's Michelle with Naturally Sourced Fine Art Supplies. Today we're going to be making up some mixed media natural texture paste. I know a lot of people use this, and I have a all-natural recipe using the methyl cellulose that we made the other day, so that's just the glue. And then this is our natural gesso and some natural pigment powder. And you could use any color pigment powder, really, if you wanted to change the color of your gesso. I'm just going to use white for today. So I'm just going to take about 1/4 cup of the powder. Then I'm going to mix it with 1 tablespoon of the methyl cellulose. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of the gesso. Get that all out of there. It's nice when you have the natural ingredients mixed up, because then it's really quite simple to make lots of things with all natural ingredients, and there's no smell, which is the best part for me. So I have 1/4 cup here of just the white titanium dioxide pigment, and if you didn't have this, you could also use baby powder or any really talc powder of any kind. But with this here one, for any woman that has allergies or sensitivity to chemicals, this is ideal. And then, of course, once you get it all mixed up, if you find that it's too runny, just add more pigment powder. And if it's too thick, just add more gesso. And this stuff is usually pretty thick. I'm going to add a little bit more. That looks like a pretty nice consistency. So let's just give it a whirl. That goes on nice and smooth. And it peels off to a nice thick consistency. So then once that dries up, you'll be able to add your liquid paints or marker or anything that you want to jazz it up. So there you have it. A little bit of glue, a little bit of gesso, and some natural pigment gives you all natural texture paste. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.